In today's fast-paced world, heart health has become a major concern for people of all ages. With rising rates of heart disease and hypertension, many of us find ourselves searching for answers, often feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of advice available. We're bombarded with complex recommendations, new diets, and expensive supplements, making it hard to know what truly matters for our well-being. But sometimes, the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. The key to a healthier heart might actually be found right in our kitchens, hidden in the everyday foods we often overlook. Our ancestors, for generations, thrived on diets naturally low in salt and rich in potassium. This natural balance supported their heart health and overall vitality, a balance that, unfortunately, many of us have lost in the modern era. Today, our diets are often filled with processed foods, salty snacks, and sugary treats. These choices disrupt the delicate balance our bodies need, putting extra strain on our hearts and increasing our risk for disease. The good news is that the solution doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By understanding the vital role potassium plays in our bodies, we can make small, meaningful changes to our daily meals. Choosing fresh, whole foods over processed options is a powerful step toward restoring the natural balance our bodies crave. With every meal, we have the opportunity to nourish our hearts and bodies simply by reaching for more fruits, vegetables, and unprocessed ingredients. This journey isn't about drastic, unsustainable changes. It's about empowering ourselves with knowledge and making informed choices that fit our lifestyles. By adding more potassium-rich foods like bananas, spinach, avocados, and beans to our diets, we can take practical, easy steps toward better heart health. Discover the transformative power of potassium and take the first step to reclaiming your heart health today. Your journey to a stronger, healthier heart starts now. Potassium, the quiet partner to sodium, is crucial for heart health. It helps manage fluid levels, nerve signals, and muscle contractions, including your heart. Potassium naturally expels excess sodium, lowering blood pressure and reducing heart strain. It maintains a normal heart rhythm, preventing dangerous arrhythmias. Foods like bananas and spinach offer this natural regulator, restoring balance. By increasing potassium intake, we support our hearts and counteract modern dietary imbalances. Scientific evidence highlights potassium's heart benefits. A study at the European Society of Cardiology showed potassium-rich diets lower heart risks. Participants with higher potassium intake had a 24% reduced risk of heart issues. This dietary shift offers protection comparable to medical interventions. The findings apply to everyone, not just high-risk individuals. Increasing potassium is more effective than just reducing salt. The message is clear: prioritize potassium for heart health. Our ancestors thrived on potassium-rich diets, drawing their nutrition from wild plants, fruits, and roots found in nature. Unlike today, their meals were naturally low in sodium and packed with essential minerals. This balance supported their active lifestyles and robust health, helping them survive and adapt to challenging environments over thousands of years. In contrast, modern processed foods are high in sodium and low in potassium, completely reversing our natural mineral balance. Fast food, packaged snacks, and ready-made meals dominate our diets, making it easy to consume far more salt than our bodies were designed to handle. This imbalance puts extra strain on our hearts, forcing them to work harder to maintain healthy blood pressure and circulation. Over time, it contributes to hypertension and increases the risk of heart disease, which are now leading causes of illness worldwide. But we don't need to revert to ancient diets or give up the convenience of modern living to protect our health. Instead, we can make conscious food choices every day, like reading labels, choosing fresh produce, and opting for meals made from whole ingredients. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like leafy greens, which are naturally high in potassium and low in sodium. Add potassium-rich options like bananas, potatoes, and salmon to your meals to help restore your body's natural balance. These foods provide the essential minerals our hearts and bodies need to function at their best, supporting energy, mood, and long-term wellness. Reclaiming this balance is a straightforward, practical strategy for long-term health, and it can start with small, simple changes at home. By aligning our diets with our evolutionary needs, we can nurture a healthier heart and a more vibrant life for ourselves and our loved ones. Shifting to a potassium-rich diet is simple and rewarding. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, balancing fluids, and ensuring proper muscle and nerve function. By making a few easy changes, you can significantly boost your potassium intake and improve your overall health. Focus on whole foods, filling half your plate with fruits and vegetables. These foods are naturally high in potassium and low in sodium, making them perfect for a heart-healthy diet. Start with breakfast oatmeal with bananas and nuts. This combination not only provides a potassium boost, but also offers fiber and healthy fats to keep you full and energized throughout the morning. For lunch, choose salads with leafy greens and grilled proteins. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are potassium powerhouses, and adding a lean protein like chicken or tofu makes for a balanced, nutritious meal. Snack on unsalted nuts or veggies with hummus instead of salty snacks. These options are not only rich in potassium but also provide essential nutrients and healthy fats. Make potatoes the star of your dinner, paired with lean proteins and veggies. Potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, especially when eaten with the skin on. Cook at home to control salt and highlight natural flavors. Experiment with herbs and spices to enhance the taste of your meals without adding extra sodium. Shop smart. Prioritize fresh produce and read labels for hidden sodium. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible, and be mindful of the sodium content in packaged items. Each potassium-rich choice strengthens your heart, proving health starts on your plate. By making these simple changes, you can enjoy delicious meals while supporting your overall well-being.